I will introduce you the package and the instructions of the product. This is heat transfer paper dark. This product is compatible with Inkjet and LaserJet printers. Please refer to the table to adjust the printer. Cut out your design with scissors or cutting machine. An iron, heat press or heat machine to transfer the dream image. Place your t-shirt on flat surface. Smooth out the garment with an iron before transferring for better results. Place your design on the t-shirt, covered with a Teflon paper to protect the image while transferring. Your image transfer is done. This is washing instructions. Read the instruction carefully before use. You can scan the QR code on the instruction to download and print the dream image designed by our designer. If you have any problems during using our products, please feel free to contact us. We will help you solve the problem at first time. Bye bye. Hope to see you again.